We have a roulette system submitted by Patreon user Steve T, and he swears it's better than Martingale. Let's check out Soar Peter together today on JackAce. What up, donkeys? JackAce here with JackAce.com, and we have another user submitted system for you. This one is called Soar Peter, aka Spongy and Bruised, because Patreon user Steve T says it's hard to beat.
We need rest. The spirit is willing, but the flesh is spongy and bruised.
This is a crazy triple martingaling system, so you know things are about to get nuts. When you lose, you triple martingale or more. The buy-in for the system is $9,324, and the starting bet is $21. You're gonna go from $1 units to $3 to $10, $30, $100, and then $300 per spot. And you're going to be betting on 21 numbers at a time. That means the starting bet is $21 and you're going to top out at $6,300 at the top tier. So to make the first bet for Soar Peter, you're going to bet $1 on 20 different numbers. You're going to bet on 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, and everything else that's center column. You're also going to bet on 27, 28. That's 20 numbers so far. And then the last number is going to be the last number that didn't hit. If we check the spin history over here, you can see that the last number that didn't hit would be 33 in this case. So let's go ahead and spin. We are going to be playing this on a 00 wheel, and we have a starting balance of 7.7 million. 6, that's a whack. We lose $21, and we increase to $3 per number. That's a $63 bet. We're going to follow that 6, so we're going to put $3 on that 6 as well. 27, that's a hit, and we win $45, so that more than makes up for that $21 loss. We're going to drop back down to the $21 bet, and we're going to still follow that 6. 11, that's a hit, so we win $15. For that starting tier of $21, your expected loss per spin is 57 cents on single zero, and the expected loss per spin is $1.10 on a 00 wheel. 9, that's a whack. We lose 21, and we increase to $3 per number. We're going to erase that 6 and put $3 on the 9.
No more bets.
16, that's another whack. We're going to increase to $10 per number. That's $210, and we're going to follow the 16. As far as coverage goes, you have 56.8% coverage on a single zero wheel and 55.3% coverage on a 00 wheel. 12, that's another whack. We lose 210. We are currently down 255, and we're going to increase to $30 per number. That's $630.
No more bets.
And we're going to follow that 12. 1, that's a hit. We win $450, and we are currently up $195. So whenever you recover, you always win more than 1 unit. You always win more than the $15 you would have been up if you won at that first level. We're going to drop back down to the $21 bet. Like Steve T says, there's nothing sweeter than a repeater. Part of the reason for playing like this is because you think a lot of numbers come back to back. 28, that's a hit. We win 15 and stay at this level, stay at this bet.
No more bets.
35, another hit. We win 15 and stay at this level. If you're looking for an alternate betting pattern for this, you can bet 2 units on the 0, 00 split, 18 units on the low numbers, and then 1 unit on that floating last losing number. And that's how we're going to be playing this later on. Okay, 16, that's a whack, and we increase to $3 per number. We're also going to follow the 16. It's really brutal betting these bets on this app.
No more bets.
On that $63 bet, we win $45. We're going to drop back down to the $21 bet, and we're actually going to change the way we're betting for this. We're going to bet $2 on the 0, 00 split, $18 on the first 18, the low numbers, and then $1 on the number that we're following. That's going to be the floating bet. There we hit 27, and we lost $21. We're going to triple this bet. So that's $6 on the 0, 00 split, $54 on the low numbers, and then $3 on the floating bet. The floating bet in this case is going to be 27. 8. That's a hit. We win $45 and drop back down to the $21 bet. If you enjoy discussing gambling systems, please join my Discord. We have a pretty active community of over 600 registered users talking about roulette, poker, craps, every casino game. 0, that's a hit. Win 15.
No more bets.
23, that's a whack. Lose 21. We're going to triple and follow that 20.
No more bets.
4, that's a low number. We win 45. We're going to bet 21 here. 2, 18, and 1.
No more bets.
24, that's a whack. Minus 21, and we're going to triple and follow the 24.
No more bets.
4, a winner. Win 45. Drop back down to 21.
No more bets.
33, another whack, minus 21, and we're going to triple up to 63.
No more bets.
13, that's a low number. We win 45 and drop back down. If you're looking to scale the system up or down, it's nearly impossible. You can't bet lower than $1 per unit, and you would have to bet higher than $300 if you were to scale it up.
No more bets.
9, that's a winner. Win 15. Stay at this level.
No more bets.
31, that's a whack. Triple up. Follow the 31.
No more bets.
16, that's a winner. Win 45.
No more bets.
30, another high number. Lose 21 and triple up.
No more bets.
00, that's a winner. So we win 45 and we drop back down to tier 1.
No more bets.
20, another high number. That's a loss. And we go to 63.
No more bets.
11, that's low, so we win. Drop back down to 21.
No more bets.
'That's a $21 loss, and we triple up.
No more bets.
33, another loss. Triple up, actually triple plus a third. We're going from $3 units
No more
to
bets.
$10 units. 25, another loss. So we're going from 210 now. We're going to triple this up to 630. That's $30 per number. As you can see, this system
more
gets
bets.
pretty crazy pretty fast. Much faster than Martingale. So we've recovered. We win 450 and we're currently up 603. We're going to keep playing until we're up 1,000 or until we go broke. If you want to see other roulette systems such as this, go to my site jackace.com. There I have over 500 roulette systems that you can look at. You can sort them by my rating, by CEG's rating, and you can even drill down and see the spin by spin results as spun by the CEG dealer school. I also have a tool called the Roulette Bet Analyzer. There you can enter your roulette bets. It'll show you how much you're going to win per spot, what your expected loss per spin is, what your expected comp value per spin is, and what percent coverage of the wheel you have.
No
So
more
even though
bets.
we're making these big bets, the pit is only going to see you making these $21 bets, so you're not going to get much in terms of comps. 32, that's a loss, and we triple up again.
No more bets.
30, whack. So we're going from the $3 units to the $10 unit. Our $21 bet has
No
become
more
210. 13, that's low, so we win 150 and drop back down. If you want to submit your own roulette system for me to review, fill out this Google form. And if you want me to fast track your review like I did for Steve T, join my Patreon. Patreon members get discounts in my JackAce merch store.
No
You
more
also
bets.
get access to a private Discord channel where you can ask me questions. And it's also a good way to just support this channel as well. 9, that's a winner.
No more bets.
25, that's high, so we lose and we triple up.
No more bets.
5, we recover, win 45 and drop back down.
No more bets.
16, that's a winner, win 15 and stay at this level.
No more bets.
13, another $15 winner.
No more bets.
19, lose and go to the $3 unit.
No more bets.
5, we recover, win 45. We're currently up $762.
No more bets.
29, whack, triple up.
No more bets.
6, that's a winner. We recover and drop back down to 21. And like I mentioned before, we also have a merch store. We have tons of gambling product there. We have roulette and craps mouse pads.
more bets.
We have roulette and craps practice mats. And of course, t-shirts and other apparel. So check it out when you get a chance. 20, that's a loss. Minus 21.
No more bets.
33, another loss, lose 63, and we're going to bet 210 here.
No more bets.
10, that's a winner. We win 150. We're currently up 852, and we're going to drop back down to 21. We're only about $150 away from our goal. So pros for this system, I think it's pretty interesting. When you recover from your losing streaks, you always end up way ahead. So if you look at the graph for like a Martingale system, it kind of inches up forward. It has dips and then continues with that same kind of angle. This one,
No more
when you
bets.
have that dip and then followed by a recovery, you always inch up higher than you would normally be. 26 is high, so we lose and triple up.
No more bets.
8, we win. We win 45, we are up 876 now.
No more bets.
17, that's a winner.
No more bets.
30, whack.
No more bets.
11, that's a winner. We win 45. We are currently up 915.
No more bets.
23, that's a whack. Triple up.
No more bets.
So 33, that's a whack, minus 63. We're gonna make the 210 bet. And remember to follow the last losing number, which is 33 in this case, because there's nothing sweeter than a repeater. As far as cons go for this system, there's a really high risk of ruin. You are risking over $9,000 with this system in hopes of winning 1 or 2,000. The betting is really complex, but it can be simplified. You don't necessarily need to follow the last losing bet. That's
No
just
more
something you
bets.
might do if you're superstitious and you think that numbers are going to be coming back to back. We actually haven't had 2 back-to-back numbers yet. 17, that's a winner, not a repeater, but a winner. We win 150 and we are currently up 981. We are 1 or 2
No more bets.
hits away from hitting our goal. 25, that's a whack. We're going to bet 63.
No more bets.
And 5, that's a winner. We win 45. So with that win, we are up over 1,000. That's our goal. We are up 1005. But let's check out Soar Peter in the JackAce simulator. What up, donkeys? We are testing Soar Peter in the JackAce Roulette Simulator. We're just going to do a couple of simulations real quick. Make sure everything's working fine. When you win at that first tier, you win $15. When you win at the second tier, you win $45. Then $150, $450, $1,500, $4,500. It's looking like everything's working fine. So let's do some extensive simulations. We're going to try to win $1,000, $2,000, and $5,000 from our starting $9,324 starting balance. That's a bankroll increase of 11%, 21%, and 54%. Trying to win $1,000, we are successful 85.1% of the time on single zero, 84.1% of the time on double zero, and 81.6% of the time on triple zero. Trying to increase by $2,000, we are successful 76.3%, 73.7%, and 71.2% on single, double, and triple zero wheels. Trying to increase our bankroll by $5,000, we are successful 53.2%, 48.1%, and 45.2%, which is still pretty good. So around 50% of the time, you're going to be able to win $5,000 with this system. But again, keep in mind, this is not a way to make money long term. This is just for these short attempts trying to win $1,000, $2,000, or $5,000. So that is how Soar Peter performed in the JackAce simulator. What do you think about it so far? As you can see, if you only want to win $1,000 or $2,000 with your $9,000 bankroll, you're going to have a pretty high percentage of hitting that goal. Even if you only want to win $5,000 out of your $9,000 bankroll, you're going to hit that almost 50% of the time. That's pretty good, but it also means you're going to lose everything the other 50%. What do you guys think about following numbers? What do you guys think about following dozens or colors or odd even? Does it make a difference to you guys? I definitely have an opinion about that as a mathematician. I hate to break it to most of you guys, but it really doesn't have any bearing on how successful the system is going to be. For my review of this system, let's look at the betting simplicity first. I gave this 2 out of 5 stars. I really don't like making more than 4 bets. We're making 21 bets here. That's pretty ludicrous. And the addition of that floating bet makes this really difficult to bet. This is actually the 4th or 5th time I've recorded myself playing the system, because the other previous times I've made a mistake on the betting. Progression simplicity, I gave it a 3 out of 5. You just need to remember 1, 3, 10, 30, 100, 300. You're going to be multiplying your unit bet by those numbers. The progression isn't really that crazy, but you're bound to make some mistakes if you're not good at math, especially if you're consolidating some of the bets like the 0-0-0 split and the 1 through 18 and the floating repeating number. Jackpot potential, there's actually pretty good jackpot potential with this system. I gave it 4 out of 5. It's very easy to win $1,000 here. It's very easy to win $2,000. And even winning $5,000, you have about a 50% chance of doing that. But then again, you're risking over $9,000 to achieve that. And when you don't hit your goal, you're going to lose all $9,000, $9,300 and change. For scalability, this gets a 1, maybe even half a star. You're starting with a $1 betting unit and you're going all the way up to $300 per number. That's pretty crazy. That's starting $1 unit bet. You can't scale down lower than that. And if you want to scale it up, you're going to be betting $600 per spot or higher. And in fact, a lot of casinos probably won't let you scale from the $1 to the 300. It's probably going to be out of the range of most table limits. And for comp value, I gave this a 1 out of 5 stars. With that starting bet of $21, you're going to be playing at a very low minimum table, and you probably won't get any attention from the pit. You're barely going to earn any comps using this system. So overall, I give this a 2 out of 5 stars. The way this system was originally authored, I'd probably give it 2 out of 5 stars. With my modifications, I think I would bump it up to 3 out of 5. My modifications being the consolidated bets, 2 units on the 0-0-0 split, 18 units on the low numbers, and that 1 unit on the floating number. So overall, I give this between 2 and 3 stars depending on how you make those bets. So that is my rating for Soar Peter. What do you think about it? Do you like systems where you follow the last losing number? If you enjoy content such as this, remember to like and subscribe. Always gamble responsibly. Never play 000 roulette. And peace out, donkeys.